What's your problem? This is message 529, and this message is dedicated to Brian Johnson. What's your problem? It's actually not your problem that's the problem. It's the way you're looking at your problem. This is a variation of the equation we talked about a while ago. E plus R equals O. Do you remember what that stood for? Event plus response equals outcome. Events alone don't create outcomes. It's the event coupled with your response to it that creates the outcome. Your problem doesn't create your problem. It's the problem coupled with how you deal with it that is your problem. So let's get some perspective on your problem today. This is some Michael Singer wisdom via my mentor, Brian Johnson. He likes to use some interstellar perspective to gain perspective on life's challenges here on little old planet Earth. You know how far away the moon is? 240,000 miles roughly. Well, strap on a jetpack or your Iron Man suit or whatever you think would be most powerfully and quickly get you to the moon. It takes astronauts about 3 days to get there, traveling at an average of 3,333 miles an hour. But for our purposes, you can travel at the speed of light. Please look down at the earth now and tell me about you and your huge problem. Well, let's continue our journey all the way to the sun. Before you go, please take a moment and grab the earth in your hand. Yes, you're now very big. We're going to use the earth as a baseball and throw it into the sun. Do a little copy paste of the earth and then remove the people so you don't feel badly about what you're getting ready to do. Now grab your copy of the earth and get ready to fly 93 million miles to get to the sun. We're going to fly considerably faster than the speed of light rather than the normal 8 minutes and 20 seconds that it takes for light to get from the sun to our earth. We're going to activate the super duper rockets on your jetpack and get there in 8 seconds. You're hovering far enough away from the sun to throw the earth into its massiveness. You know how many earths fit into the sun? Over 1 million of them. You're going to be busy for a while throwing 1 million Earths into the sun, but please take a break and see if you can look back from the sun and find the original Earth back there and remind yourself of your huge problem. That's one way to get perspective on our challenges.